Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most essential pieces of travel gear, the backpack. Whether you're exploring bustling cities, trekking through remote wilderness, or jet-setting across continents, a reliable backpack is your trusty companion. So, why exactly do you need a backpack for travel? Let's find out. First off, a backpack offers unparalleled convenience and mobility. Unlike bulky suitcases, backpacks free up your hands, allowing you to navigate crowded streets, climb stairs, or hop onto trains with ease. Plus, they're compact enough to stow away in overhead compartments or under bus seats, making them perfect for any mode of transportation. Secondly, a well-designed backpack keeps your belongings organized and accessible. With multiple compartments and pockets, you can neatly store everything from clothing and toiletries to electronics and documents. This not only helps you find what you need quickly, but also minimizes the risk of losing or misplacing items during your travels. Now that we've covered why you need a backpack, let's talk about how to choose the right one for your adventures. Here are some essential tips to keep in mind. Consider the size. Think about the duration and type of trip you'll be taking. For short getaways, a smaller backpack may suffice, while longer journeys may require a larger capacity to accommodate extra gear. Assess the features. Look for backpacks with padded shoulder straps and back panels for comfort during extended wear. Additionally, features like adjustable waist belts, sternum straps, and compression straps help distribute weight evenly and provide added stability. Check the durability. Opt for backpacks made from high-quality materials like water-resistant nylon or polyester. Reinforced stitching and sturdy zippers ensure that your backpack can withstand the rigors of travel and last for years to come. Test the fit. Before making a purchase, try on different backpacks to find one that fits your body comfortably. Pay attention to factors like the length of the torso, the width of the straps, and the adjustability of the harness system. And there you have it, why you need a backpack for travel and tips for choosing the right one. Remember, your backpack is more than just a bag. It's your mobile storage unit, your travel companion, and your ticket to unforgettable adventures. So invest in a quality backpack that suits your needs and get ready to explore the world one step at a time. Thanks for tuning in and happy travels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Safe travels, everyone.